Hey people, so we are at this place called Ram Ki Bandi and we'll be seeing cheese butter dosa being made. So it's like this place is one of the landmarks in Hyderabad. So if you were to learn how to make cheese butter dosa from scratch, it's like this place is open from 5 a.m. to 1 in the night. So it is, I remember coming here at 5 a.m. along with 5:30, yeah, along with this whole group that I was with. इसको पैक करना है, हाँ, चीज़ बटर डोसा. Yeah. Or maybe I'll have it here itself. मैं इधर ही. So this is so cool, yeah.
इसका पैकेट जरा
How this is being made. So if you were to take a look, भाई आपका स्वागत है.
तेल मसाला छोड़ के सब
टाइट डोसा से
So on that note, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.